friends. So in the series of podcasts that we are doing with different kind of professionals, today our podcast is with Dr. Sonali Chauhan.
Hey Darshana, so we all talk about cavities, but let's get to know what actually is happening in the mouth from chemistry point of view.
Good question, Sonali. So what happens is when we eat sugar, it is digested by the bacteria into acids. Most importantly, lactic acid. Now this lactic acid acts on your enamel, and your enamel is made up of calcium phosphate, thus dissolving the enamel, and that is how cavities are formed.
No question, Darshana. Most of us use toothpaste daily, but how does it affect us chemistry-wise?
Our toothpaste contains fluoride ions. Now these fluoride ions react with your enamel and form fluorapatite, which is like calcium phosphate fluoride, which is stronger than the enamel and thus shield your teeth, and therefore it protects us from cavities.
Oh, sodas. Nowadays people even teenagers, all youngsters love sodas and citrus fruits. So what is your take on that, like from a chemistry angle?
Yeah, I understand that, Sonali, and it is so dangerous. These drinks have a pH below 5, so they are very acidic. Just like the lactic acid, I think even more dangerous. So this causes a process called as demineralization. So your enamel is getting rusted. Imagine your teeth rusting. But to be honest, saliva comes here handy because saliva will help to remineralize if you give it time. But I will definitely say that you should keep yourself away from sodas, fruit juices, which is going to give you a great trouble.
Okay, thanks Darshana. Let's go with one more. Like they say, teeth are made of crystals. So how would you explain it from a chemistry angle?
Absolutely. Enamel is made up of hydroxyapatite. It's actually a crystal of calcium phosphate and hydroxide ions. And these are like sparkling gems in your teeth. So when you sparkle, there are millions of these crystals shine. So who knew that chemistry is going to make you sparkle? Interesting, isn't it?
Everyone nowadays wants white teeth and a bright smile. So what's your take on that from a chemistry perspective?
So whitening products, as you know, Sonali, contain hydrogen peroxide and carbamide peroxide. Now these react with the stain molecules and release oxygen radicals. Oxygen radicals convert the colored stain molecules into tiny colorless molecules, which is like bleaching your teeth. But yes, it is not as bad as when you bleach your clothes. They are milder and safer. Therefore, I say that it is no harm in getting your teeth whitened.
Thanks Darshana for the wonderful insights of chemistry on teeth. Strong teeth and good chemistry have one thing in common, that is they both bond very strongly and never let you down. So yes, thanks.
So brush well, floss often, and remember, your smile is the best chemical reaction you will ever have with the world.